Hello everyone, friends. Today I would like to share a clinical case of treating caries. In this case, we see caries under composite plums that need to be treated. Here we carried out isolation with Cafferdam. In this case, we carried out the preparation with a ball-shaped bore and a cylindrical bore. We removed the old composite plums, removed all the caries, and started the process of setting the plum. In this case, we used a composite from the company Garmanize and special modeling brushes for creating teeth anatomy. Next, we carried out a stage of correction for occlusion and polishing and grinding of teeth. We used polishing gum from Yoda, polishing brushes from Kerr, and a polishing disc. And a brush. This is how the final version of composite restorations looks like. Thank you all for your attention. Bye-bye.